Hawak ko ang beat. Hawak ko ang beat. Beat. Hawak ko ang beat eh. Hawak ko ang beat. Hawak ko ang beat. Why you always angry? Auntie wanna touch mo? Ow! No, no, no. Nick. Mo, ow, auntie. Mo. No, and no. Auntie always give you food. Oops! I said no. Down your ear. You're always angry to auntie. Why? Every time you're asking me, auntie, give me some food. Auntie always give you food. If you have poo-poo on the floor, auntie, clean up your poo-poo on the floor. And now you bite auntie? This ends with you. Do not bite auntie. Understand? Don't give you food today. Okay? You let me angry. Always like that. Just touch you. You don't like to touch. So don't eat. Kumakatingin ka. Your eyes. Look at your eyes.